All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a beautiful song called LUNÉE. I'm not sure about that pronunciation. I'm not French speaking by any means, but anyway, I think that translates into bad mood. So I'm not sure. But anyway, let's take a look at this song, which goes in the same way through the entire song. We have no need for a capo here, and we only have 3 chords. So let's dive right into the chords. I'm going to start with the D minor. Okay, so that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. The next chord is the G minor, which is a bar chord. So you play the index finger on the 3rd fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. And the final chord is A. And that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern now, and it goes like this. Okay, so it's first 1 down, and then down, up, down, up, down. So 1 down, a short pause, and then down, up, down, up, down, and the pause. And then you start next strumming round. So like this. Okay, so we can start to learn the D minor for 2 string rounds, then G minor 1 and A1. And if you want, you can just roll that in the same way through the entire song. So D minor 2, G minor 1, A1 like this. Okay, and you can play that from the beginning till the very end. If you wanna get to the next level, you can try to get certain notes here from the D minor chord. So how you're gonna do that? You're gonna play the first down a little bit on just the bass strings, like the D and G string or so. And then when you play the first down ups, play it on the higher strings. So really incorporate the E string here is important, okay? So E and B string perhaps. So down, down, up, and then when you play the next 2 down ups, you play on the bass strings around the D string, and when you play the last down, you release to get the open E string instead of first. You release that first fret E string to get the open E string, and do 1 down on the higher strings down there. So the effect will be like this. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, so like this. And that is matching with the sound of the song. So with that little tweak there of notes, with this chord progression, it will be like this. And that, my friends, is how you handle this bad mood song. So I hope you enjoyed this. For all you French-speaking fans, I hope you are satisfied with this tutorial. Till next time, guys, play tuned.